Today we launched Ride Ready, which is a mass movement initiative by us.
This is a great initiative by the riders themselves. The first session what they have had is to provide medical help to a rider on a long ride in case of an eventuality. Basically a first responder kind of thing.
Everyone whom I met, they liked the property as well as the training event. So it was such a fun to host all of you over here.
Thank you for coming. Be safe, be home safe.